What's up YouTube? My name is Smooth. If you click this video, you're probably wondering why some men can grow these huge James Harden or Rick Ross beards, and on the other hand, some men grow patchy beards, pork chops, or even no beard at all. And you probably like, man, Smooth, bro, I don't try everything. I don't try beard oil, biotin, brushing my beard, combing it. I don't try everything and it just won't come in full. Well, if you've been wondering that, you click on the perfect video. So in this video, I'm gonna be explaining to you why some men can't grow beards and some men can, and why some men beards are thicker than others, why some men's are thinner. And also stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm gonna tell you the best way, the perfect way for you to get started with your beard journey, no matter the age, no matter where you at in life. Stay tuned to the end of this video and I got you. But before we jump into that, make sure y'all stop what y'all doing, scroll down, hit the like button for your boy, comment what you want to see, then subscribe to the channel. But enough talking, let's jump right into it. Boom. Alright man, so first thing first, I'm not going to be coming at y'all with none of these big words that y'all probably don't know what it is, like dihydrotestosterone or testosterone. You probably know what testosterone is, or like androgens. I'm not finna come at y'all with all them big words. I'm gonna tell you really what it is and what it ain't. So you probably don't heard this before, so I'm gonna go ahead and clear the air, cut the tension in the room. First thing you got to do with it is genetics. You might not want to hear this because you're like, man, nobody in my family got a beard, so now I just can't grow a beard. That's not the case. But genetics is going to determine how thick your beard can grow, and usually like where it connect and where it don't connect. But the thing is about the age we live in, 2022, is it's so many different beard supplements and things that you can do to fix patches in your beard. So, and I'm gonna tell y'all that later in the video. But number one is genetics. So if you can look at your bloodline, you can look at your father, your grandfather, your cousins, your uncle, and see like what their beards look like. And if they don't have no beard, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be harder for you to grow a beard. I'm not saying it's impossible for you to grow a beard, because I say anybody can grow a beard, you just gotta put in the extra work for it. But if your family and your history don't have like thick beards, then it's probably gonna be harder for you to grow one. It's gonna take you a little longer than a normal person. Or it might be hard for you to get a James Harden beard, but you can easily get like a Michael B. Jordan beard or something, you know what I'm saying? But nah, for real though, stick to it, man. Anybody can grow a beard. Genetics only determine how thick and how full your beard can come in. So that's number one. Okay, number two is testosterone levels. Now, if you don't know what testosterone is, that's basically a hormone that men produce to make like your muscles bigger, like make you more manly, really. Like that's what it is. And some people have different levels of testosterone, and a lot of people might think, okay, so because I can't grow a beard, does that mean like my testosterone levels are low, should I take testosterone supplements? No, that's not the case 9 times out of 10. But a lot of the time, sorry about that, y'all, my camera had died. But like I was saying, just because your beard won't come in as full as you might like, or you might have a few patches, that does not mean your testosterone levels are low. Don't mean you need to go out and get no crazy testosterone booster supplements or nothing like that. Because the best way to increase beard growth is do it naturally, gain testosterone naturally. And things to do that is going to the gym, man, get your blood flowing and eating the right foods. If you haven't already, I made a video on the best foods to eat for beard growth. Make sure y'all watch that. It's gonna tell y'all what foods to eat for healthy, natural beard growth. So make sure y'all check that out. So that's enough for number two, testosterone. Let y'all know a little bit about that. It ain't as big as y'all think it is, but it definitely helps. So on number three is hair follicles and maintenance. So basically how your beard is made up is you got a lot of hair follicles on your face wherever your beard is growing at. And a lot of people, everybody got hair follicles, obviously, because you got hair on your head, hair on your eyebrow, your face, so you got hair follicles. But a lot of people don't maintain it the right way. A lot of men don't maintain it, so they just go to sleep every night on a pillow, or they don't moisturize their face. A lot of different things. So it causes your hair not to grow. It causes a lot of breakage, a lot of dryness, or you might hear a lot of people say, man, I want to grow a beard out, but it itch real bad. And that's only because of poor care to the beard. So what we're gonna be talking about now is taking care of your beard, man. It's gonna help you a lot, more than you think. Yeah, so I don't know if y'all tried to grow your hair out before or get waves before, but the key is proper maintenance. It's like wearing your do-rag every day, brushing your hair, putting moisturizer in your hair, wearing a bonnet. You know, it's all about maintenance. And it's the same way with your beard, same way with a skincare routine, same way if you're trying to work out, same way if you're trying to learn real estate. It's all the same. You have to put in the work. So with that being said, man, make sure y'all get y'all products, man. Make sure y'all get y'all some oil that work for y'all. Get y'all a brush. A brush is key, especially when you're starting out, because you want to stimulate your hair follicles. You want to get the blood flowing in your face, so your face can know, oh dang, it's something trying to get me to grow. You know what I'm saying? But if you just waking up, going to sleep every day, then your face is gonna grow any type of way. It ain't gonna be organized. Your beard ain't gonna be neat. It's just gonna be sloppy and patchy. Just think about it like this though, man. Like if you just go to sleep every night, don't do nothing to your hair, you don't brush it, you don't forming in no type of way, your hair gonna wake up looking crazy. Kind of like dreads, it gonna wake up just everywhere, you know what I'm saying? But if you want your beard to be straight, you want it to get longer, you're gonna have to maintain it. So proper maintenance is why a lot of men can't grow beards, because they don't even think about moisturizing their face. So think about moisturizing their beard. So that's it for this video, but make sure y'all go get y'all products, man. TheBeardedOnes.com. We just dropped our new product, our new beard oil. Let me show you the difference. This was the first one, this is the second one. It's much bigger in size, and plus we added a new ingredient, hemp oil and black seed oil. If you don't know what those are, I made a video on them, why hemp oil and black seed oil is great for hair growth and it's natural. So make sure y'all check those videos out. Make sure y'all get y'all products, man. TheBeardedOnes.com. Use code BEARDED for 15% off the entire store. Also, we got a new product. It's a beard wrap. Hold on for a second. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Okay, so we got a new product called the beard wrap. So this is what it looks like. This is the package it comes in. You just open it up. Let me show you. You just open it up on the side, man. And it looks like this. And then what this is gonna do is gonna protect your beard at night while you sleep. Or if you oiling your face, man, and you got your products on, you don't want it to rub off on your pillow. That's defeating the purpose. So what you wanna do is, just like how you put a do-rag on, man, it's comfortable, you don't feel it, trust me. Put it on your face like this. Go in your ears like this. And it sit like this. Perfect. And you go to sleep on it, and when you sleep, it ain't gonna fall off your face like that. It's not irritated. It's not like, I gotta get this junk off my face. You don't even feel it, you know? And this is what it looks like. So wear this when you're going to sleep, especially while you doing your beard journey, you trying to grow your beard journey, trying to start your beard journey. You want to start off on the right note. So make sure y'all get what y'all need, man. TheBeardedOnes.com. Let me know if y'all got any questions in the comment section. Hopefully this video helped y'all out in tremendous ways. Leave a like for your boy. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get it 10K. But enough talking. I'm out. Peace.